Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by exiting Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in Magic Fluids. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Following that, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, choose Settings and tap on I accept in the pop-up. Now adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to, and when you're ready, choose the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, select Set as Live Wallpaper, choose that wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of those options. So when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!